everybody, Tina here from Tina's Coupon Swap and Reviews. Today I am bringing you a review from Office Elite, and this is their 3-piece stapler bundle. So you get the stapler, a stapler remover, and you get a box of 1,000 staples. So the stapler holds a little more than one of these. So I mean, if you could use one and like a half, break one in half, but you can just use one at a time. I believe each one of these is 50, and you push that button and this comes out, and you just push it in there. It has a 20-piece paper capacity. And it's just very smooth, and it closes all the way in the back. So then, you know, let's just say you made a mistake, then you just go in there I can't do it one-handed, but it'll come out pretty easily if you had two hands to hold this piece and pull it out with the other hand. But it came out pretty easy, you know, pretty easily. So you can get this on Amazon. It is $16.99 for the set, so it's a pretty good deal. Maybe a good teacher gift, you know, maybe for Christmas, or you know, even just to donate to the class. You know, most teachers nowadays have to buy their own supplies, so this seems like it would be a good one for a classroom. You can type in Office Elite Stapler 3-in-1 and it should come up. I will put the link and the price in the description box below. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not. I will see you. You guys have a great night, and I will see you on my next review. Bye!